How are you guys doing? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a full-fledged web app with Claude. And as you can see, this is a tool that I made with Claude Code without me doing any type of coding myself or nothing complicated. So this is the goal tracker. I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'm going to show you how to create one yourself. So just this is the website, which is the homepage, and as you can see, it looks like a premium homepage for this goal stats tracker, which has AI as well. So it's an AI powered insights about your week sports, things about your golf, so you can improve your game. And this is what I built in around 1 hour. So this is how the situation is, and this is where we are in terms of code and what we can do now. The point is how we can solve these things. So, but the point of the matter is now that I built this tool called Tracker, and I'm going to show you how it works. So just log into it. Everything is being done with AI, nothing written manually. And so this is the login details. I'm going to log into it. Look at this, pretty useful. And you can just you had a dashboard, average score, best round, average puts of rounds low, things like that. You also got this this graph and trend bars and things like you would you used to spend like you can easily spend like weeks and months just creating a simple app like this, but now it's an hour or two that you can do it. So dashboard, round, and by the way, it's not just dummy app, so it works. So you can just put everything here, or you can put notes, you can put numbers, and once you do it, you can then get all the details about whatever you put in there. And as you can see, it gives you everything. So you have the bars and charts and everything. You got history, you got analytics as well, putting by hole. If you're not played golf, then just have a look at it and see. So I created this, and it also gives you like leaderboard, so other people, you can sign up for it and they can put their details on, and it's extremely user friendly as well. It gives you like this AI insights as well. So this is the AI insight because we have added open router API with LLM, so that's a free one that you can use, and then you can all these details it will give you. And in the next round, we can build like an upload swing video, so you can AI analysis of your video if you've been doing the thing. But that's the next round. But so this is what we built. It's also mobile friendly as well. As you can see, it's extremely mobile friendly. Everything's working like it's built by some advanced developer, someone who is experienced with it. So you can you can do all these things with it. You can see a leaderboard, all these things. So if you have this, how are you going to build it then? Because I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can do it. So let's go to Claude, and what I'm going to do, because I'm going to describe what this app is going to be. I want to build a gold stat tracker web app, mobile friendly, mobile design first. So because I want everything to be like extremely mobile friendly for people to use, because what people are on their phones all the time anyway. So, and it has all these things. So user registration, login, email, password, all these things, social logins, profile. So you describe what you have in mind, not just get from ChatGPT or other AI, because sometimes they complicate things. But if you can describe it with details, and you have some experience describing things, it can pretty much build it for you. Or so you all these options and things, and include upload your swing video and get AI feedback, email capture, early access. So that's my prompt in Claude. And what I did, I just posted here, and it gave me like this idea of what we're going to do and how you're going to build it. and it was giving me like high fidelity mobile prototype. The problem with these AI tools is that thing that is going to take weeks and months, even though it can build it like in an hour or so. But you just need to tell it that you want it the way you want it. So for example, when it gave me like some other options, and they said it's going to do like prototype and just the MVP and stuff like that, then I gave it another prompt and I told them, okay, hey, I want this in PHP and MySQL, and it should be in a web app, not mobile UI prototype, because looking to create a template kind of thing. And I said, not prototype, so people can just enter password and email, create an account, something simple. Don't want to make users stop at the login or sign up page. So AI insights as well, cards. And I said, free AI API, so open router that it used, and the stats and everything, so they can filter it by monthly, weekly, and swing AITs are coming soon. So this was my description, and the reason I chose PHP because it's not complicated compared to Next.js and Node, because you have to then run npm and Node and all these kind of dependencies complications. So I just asked them, though PHP is a bit too old now at this point, but I can just put my code on my own shared server, my shared hosting, without any issues, and I have access to PHP and MySQL, so I have some experience with it. So I said PHP with MySQL, so you can open router. So you need to go to open router and get an API which is free. I know how long will it be free for, but you can get the open router, you can sign up for it, and you can get the API key. Once you log into it, it will give you to create an account. But yeah, that's what you can do. And once you give it to it, then what it is going to do, check that is going to create a database, the config, which is all these PHP files, and it created the goal tracker in like 3 minutes. And I said Google Auth login. I said no, I don't need it. I don't want to complicate it. And it wanted to give me like other things as well. But once I have this, when I got in it, it gave it to me. So let me just show you if I can open it, because why not? Say extract all. So you got assets in these pages, which is PHP. So that's what you get. And yeah, I got all these files, and what I did, because I have like hosting, so I'm on A2 hosting at the moment, so I had to just create a page, a file, a directory actually, and I put everything there, and it gave me like this. You can pretty much describe what you want, and change the names for it, URL and everything. It will give it to you, but if you understand what you're going to do, it's like going to give you like this schema and setup on how these items have to be if you don't want to like create it yourself. So it gives you like this thing. So also, because it uses charts, so it creates these charts as well, like bars and graphical data as well for the web app. So, and yeah, because I create a subdomain, so I use the app URL, which it give it to me. I have to change it in config.php. You got the file, so you have to change it, because you need to, once you put it in your shared hosting, then you go to config.php and you open it with, let's say, Visual Code or whatever you use, and then you can use that app URL. So you need to change this as well, open router API. You go there and you can put the router API as well. Also, you need to change this database. If you don't know how to create one, just go to your cPanel. Let's say cPanel. If you go to cPanel login, and once you are in a cPanel, you will have the option to let's say PHP my admin. So if you're on like PHP, you search here PHP my admin, so you look it up and you use a database. So to create a database, just put your database host. It will give it to you, the host. So just database name, which is Gulp Tracker. You can use whatever you want, but you need to make sure that the same database name and user and passwords are used, and all these things need to be changed. So that's a few things that you need to do. This is the Open Router API key that you need to use in config.php. Some of the other things that you're looking at, because the reason I did it in PHP is because I had some experience with it, and I was able to pretty much pull it up and get it ready online in in an hour or less. So that's what you will be able to do. If there was any issue, just describe it to Claude. And I had some issues. I ran into some issues, and I wanted to do some fixes as well, like hamburger menus not working the first attempt. So I had it fixed as well, and then it gave it to me. As you could see, that's the goal, the config.php. I did some other changes as well to it, and the final result is this Gulp Tracker. It's pretty handy if you're a Gulp lover. So give you an account. It gives you like a dummy account, and you can change the account and you sign into it. And so once you sign into it, then you can log into it, and it gives you this. If you don't have it, then you can add a round. Round is like a new game. So today is the 2nd of April, where you play that game, the course, or if it's like a custom type video, so you can put it London Golf Club, something like this. And you have the front 9 hole. If you want to just put like 10 holes, like let's say 5 front and 5 back, so you can do it. And once you do all these things, you can save it, and it will give you this log and analytics and history. Is that what you put there as well? So it gives you like everything because of the chart.js JavaScript that you use, and all the other things. And so this is how you do it in Claude. I mean, at this point, it's not about what you cannot make, because you can make anything you want with code. Now is the point how you can distribute it, and you have to figure it out. So that's a little information about it. If you want this code, I can send it to you for free. Just let me know, comment down below, and I'll give you the code and everything. You can test it and try it on your own hosting. And that's it with this video. If you like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.